Hey everyone, Dr. Charles Livingston here with Lifeboost Coffee. When I began Lifeboost Coffee, I wanted to create the healthiest, highest quality coffee that I could find, and while also taking care of the environment and the people who make the growing, the production of the coffee possible throughout the world. So each bag of Lifeboost coffee, no matter whether it's the traditional roast or the flavored, single origin beans, they're shade grown to promote sustainable farming practices, they're pesticide free and produced using the cleanest and healthiest practices that we can figure out. In this video, I want to just take a moment to talk about one of our lesser known coffees, which is a rare and a premium Microlot brew. The coffee I'm talking about is our organic Cajamarca Microlot coffee, which comes from small farms in the lush and nutrient-rich lands of Cajamarca, Peru. Our Cajamarca Microlot coffee not only follows our Lifeboost core values of healthy and cause-driven coffee, it's also a rare coffee that is produced in small batches of the highest quality beans. So to give you an idea of what makes this coffee so special, let's start with the term Microlot coffee in general. So Microlot coffee is defined across the coffee industry in a variety of ways, with some definitions referring to a smaller batch of beans being roasted at one time, or even some farms isolating certain coffee plants from the rest of their farm and using different growing or harvesting practices on the isolated batch. For us, Microlot coffee comes down to the size of the farm and the hands-on level of care the farmer and workers provide to the coffee plants throughout the growing process. Our Microlot coffee is grown on smallholder farms or family farms that are a mere 2 to 3 hectares, which is roughly the equivalent to 5 to 7.4 acres. Or to put it another way, picture a few soccer fields in size. So this small scale allows for a level of precision and personal touch that goes into every step of the coffee production process. This means that each plant is cultivated and monitored with a hands-on approach from a small group of workers and farmers. So this level of craftsmanship and dedication cannot be replicated in larger operations, where quality is often compromised to maximize quantity. What's even more notable about our Microlot coffee is we can trace each batch to the specific farm and people who helped develop and produce that coffee for you. For example, our Cajamarca Microlot coffee comes directly from our local farmer, Ronnie Laban. We work with farmers like Ronnie because not only do we know he uses organic practices to promote high quality, healthy coffee that doesn't harm the surrounding environment or customers, but Ronnie also advocates for fair trade and fair wages for the workers and the coffee community in Cajamarca, Peru. So not only do you know exactly where this coffee is coming from, we also know and support the individual farmers and workers who have dedicated their lives to giving you the highest quality coffee possible. So while all of our Lifeboost coffee products seek to give you the cleanest and the healthiest coffee on the planet, our rare Microlot coffee is just a little bit extra special. So with our Cajamarca coffee beans, you'll experience a complex but balanced blend of Catamar, Caturra, bourbon, and typical varieties, all carefully selected for their exquisite taste. If you want to know more about Lifeboost Microlot coffee or other ways our coffee is both eco-friendly as well as healthier than traditional coffee brands, follow the links in the description beneath this video.